Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly how to use Trello for project management. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. Before we start, I recommend checking out the link in the description box to create your account on Trello. Trello brings all your tasks, teammates, and tools together to keep everything in the same place, even if your team isn't. Trello is a popular project management and collaboration tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help individuals and teams organize and prioritize tasks. Trello provides a visual and intuitive way to organize tasks. Users can create boards for projects, lists for different stages, and cards for individual tasks, making it easier to see the big picture. Once you get into its site, you will see its features such as views, automation, power-ups, templates, and integrations. You can view your team's project from every angle and automate tasks and workflows with Butler automation. Power up your teams by linking their favorite tools with Trello plugins. The solution it provides are known as marketing teams, product management, design teams, startups, remote teams, engineering teams. The product in action is task management. Track the progress of tasks in one convenient place with a visual layout that adds ta-da to your to-dos. Resource clubs save hours when you give teams a well-designed hub to find information easily and quickly. The project management projects are organized, deadlines are on track, and teammates are aligned with Trello. The plans you get in Trello are known as Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. Resources used in this site are Trello Guide, Remote Work Guide, Webinars, Customer Stories, Developers, and Help Resources. Trello is a productivity powerhouse that is simple, flexible, and powerful. All it takes are boards, lists, and cards to get a clear view of who's doing what and what needs to get done. Learn more in our guide for getting started. You can create boards, lists, and cards in Trello. Trello in Action provides workflows for any project, big or small. It provides project management, meeting, onboarding, task management, brainstorming, and resource hubs. So no need to start from scratch. Jumpstart your workflow with a proven playbook designed for different teams. Customize it to make it yours. It can hit deadlines every time, from weekly sprints to annual planning. The timeline view keeps all tasks on track. Quickly get a glimpse of what's coming down the pipeline and identify any gaps that might impede your team's progress. You can stay on top of tasks to search each day without any surprises. Whether scheduling an editorial calendar or staying on top of to-dos, the calendar view is like a crystal ball, giving you a clear vision of what work lies ahead. Trello's intuitive feature gives any team the ability to quickly set up and customize workflows for just about anything, such as integrations, Butler automation, and Trello Enterprise. Trello provides 4 plans such as Free, Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. Its free plan costs you nothing, and it's free for your whole team. You can use it for individuals or teams looking to organize any project. The standard plan costs you $5, and it is used for small teams that need manage, work, and scale collaborations. Their premium plan costs you $10, and it is used for teams that need to track and visualize multiple projects in several ways, including boards, timelines, calendars, and etc. Lastly, we have the Enterprise plan, which costs you $17.50. It is used for organizations that need to connect more work across teams with more security and controls. Now, let's have a look at the features of each plan. So the free plan comes with unlimited cards, up to 10 boards per workspace, unlimited power per board, unlimited storage, up to 10 MB per file, 250 workspace command runs per month, and custom backgrounds and stickers, unlimited activity log, assignee, and due dates. In Plus plan, you can get unlimited boards, advanced checklist, custom fields, unlimited storage up to 250 MB per file, and 1000 workspace command runs per month, single board guest, and saved searches. You can get these features in standard plans such as calendar, timeline, table, dashboard, and map, workspace views, table and calendar, unlimited workspace command runs, admin and security features, workspace level templates, collections, observers, and simple data export. Lastly, in the premium plan, you can get everything unlimited and so many other features. Let's give it a try and click on Get Trello for free. To sign up with your Trello, you can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack. It is easy for you to go with Google, so do that. Choose your account to continue with your Trello account. After that, it will ask you to create your board if you want to, but you can skip this step for now. You can also invite your team just by entering its email address, or you can skip this step as well. Now, choose the premium plan if you want more features and multiple project views, or you can start using your site with a free trial. Once you get into your account, you can find boards, members, and workspaces on your left-hand dashboard. To create a board, all you need to do is select your board category to whatever you want, then choose the template for your board. Now that the board will be created on your selected template, you can find workspaces, recent, start, and more from the top bar. If you want to see more Atlassian, click on the block icon and you can switch to Jira Service Management, Product Discovery, and Confluence. So, get back to Trello from here. It will take you back to your Trello homepage. You can see many options under templates such as business, design, education, marketing, HR, and operations, personal productivity, product management, and many more. Trello Workspace provides you with the board's highlights, views, members, and settings. You can invite a member of your team from here just by entering your email address, or you can generate an invite link and share it with others. From the bottom, you can find the settings where you can edit your workspace visibility and add your Slack workspace linking. You can view your created table or calendar from the left-handed dashboard. In the table, you can add cards, lists, labels, members, and due dates. In the calendar, you can set the priority of your tasks. Then select the template, read the details of your selected template, and click to start using it. Now you can start or see the different partitions of your boards according to your workload. If you want to change the template board name, you can do that as well. Simply click to create a board from the template, give the title to your template, select your workspace, and click to create it. If you're interested in trying Trello, I recommend checking out the link in the description box. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. For more tutorials like this, thanks for watching. Goodbye.